In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use our D2L website for MAT129. When you first click on the class, you'll come to the overview, where you'll see a brief description of the class and the syllabus. Start by clicking the Start Here button. When you do that, you'll see a list of things that you should do, including watching this video. Make sure that you click on this tab to view the syllabus, schedule, and class policies. You'll also need to look at your instructor information to make sure you know the best way to contact your instructor. One of the other important things you need to do is look at the My Labs Plus tab. This will walk you through our homework website. You can click on this link or type it directly into your browser, and once you log in, you'll see your math course pop up. You should only have one course. When you click on your Math 129 course, it'll open up and show you your student home screen. When that happens, you'll see your assignments over here with a list of what to work on next. You'll also notice you have both of your textbooks online. This first pre-algebra and introductory algebra is the Bittinger textbook, and this medical dosage calculations is the Olson textbook. You can also purchase hard copies of your textbook if you prefer. You'll also notice that there's testing information. Because this is an online class, you may not be able to get to one of the Dell Tech campuses. To solve that problem, we use Examity. It's an online proctoring service that you do have to pay for in order to take your tests. If you prefer to come to campus, you can book appointments at your local testing center for your Dell Tech campus and take the test for free. There's also a link to D2L tutorials, so that if you've never used D2L before, or if you're struggling to figure out how to do something, you can watch a video to walk you through it. In Unit 1, you can see a sample of what the content's going to look like. It's organized by units and then within the unit, weeks. If we look at Week 1, you'll see a summary of what we're going to learn, including the learning objectives from our syllabus. I recommend that you do the diagnostic test from your textbook first to see what content you remember. Then, it helps if you click on the link on the left to see our videos and textbook readings. You'll be asked to read sections from one or both of your textbooks each week, in addition to watching some videos. The videos can explain and go through some of those examples in more detail. At the bottom, you'll also see some additional resources in case the videos from the textbooks did not work for the way you learn. Under assignments, you'll see different assignments for each week. Every unit will have at least one discussion board. If you click on it, you'll see that you can start a new topic to answer the questions that are due. If we go back to the assignments, you'll also see that there's a description of the My Labs Plus homework that you need to do each week. You do need to make sure that you're completing your assignments on both D2L and My Labs Plus. We'll also have weekly check-in quizzes to make sure that you're getting a general overview of the content before you dive in and try to do all of the homework. When you do this, you can hit preview and you'll be able to actually take it so we can see what the quizzes look like. In some of these questions, you'll have to answer specific questions that are multiple choice or true or false. And in some of them, you'll get to type your answers in. In this quiz, questions 1 and 2 are examples of those multiple choice questions. And question 3 is an example of one where you'll have to submit a short answer. D2L can automatically grade your multiple choice and true or false questions, but you'll have to wait for your instructor to check the short answer ones to see if you got your answers correct. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll talk to you soon in class.